So I'm going to grab the saw here. This is a Stihl MS-180C, and this one's actually kind of got this automatic recoil pull on it, and I can show you that, but it's kind of got the old school knobs, I would call them. They're not the quick open. So I want to get this fueled up and ready to go. I'm going to check. I can check right now. I know the chain's relatively sharp, and it's got pretty good tension. I can pull up on it because you want it to be able to slide, but you don't want it coming off. And so that's about the right tension. So we will just get this thing fueled up real fast. So first things first, anytime I'm messing with these saws, Dad always taught me to clear off around here. So this is just like bar oil. It's a coolant to just keep this from overheating. And clearing this out so you don't have excess dirt going into your filters and things is ideal. So then you just stick your screwdriver in there, give it a little turn, and then you can loosen the rest of this by hand. Looks like it's got pretty good oil in here, but a good rule of thumb is you always want to add oil when you add gas to any of your Stihl chainsaws, weed eaters, things like that. So I've got the oil here. We'll give this a shot. Filling it up, and we'll try not to spill. There we go. And then just hand tighten that, and then I just give this just a 1/8 of a turn or a 1/4 turn with the wrench. You don't want to over tighten or you'll break these plastic caps. Okay, same thing over here. Give this a little dust down, and then stick the screwdriver in there. Push down. Give that a turn. That breaks it loose. You can open this up. This is our pre-mixed gas. I like to give this a shake. These come like this here says, I think it's 50 to 1, but it's 2 cycle. But I can tell you this will do 1 gallon. So we'll pour this into here, and then we'll fill it at the gas station. 1 gallon exactly, and then every time I fill with 2 cycle, I'm mixing that oil and gas together, and then I pour it in. I bought a 2.5 gallon, and it's nice for the big saws, but this 1 gallon is just so much easier to handle and maneuver and work with, so I still am drawn to that 1 gallon tank, even though if you're doing a big job or cutting all day or running multiple saws, that thing you can run it out. All right, so organization is key.